Did you know that a $50 gift card can destroy an 8-year marriage? Mark thought he was being nice. His co-worker Sarah had helped him with a big project. For her birthday, he bought her a Zara gift card to say thank you. When his wife Lisa found the receipt, she went crazy. She screamed that Mark was having an emotional affair. She demanded to see every purchase he made. She wanted passwords to all his accounts. But Lisa didn't stop there. She called Mark's office and interrogated every female co-worker about gifts they received. She showed up at company events, asking inappropriate questions about Mark's relationships. The workplace drama got so bad that Mark's boss called him in for a meeting. His job was now at risk because of his wife's behavior. Mark had to make an impossible choice: keep his career or save his marriage to a woman who didn't trust him. After 8 years together, Lisa's jealousy and controlling behavior had finally pushed Mark too far. Sometimes being too possessive destroys the very thing you're trying to protect.